Hey everyone, today I'm going to be walking through Quick Extract, one of the most powerful tools in YCharts. Quick Extract allows you to upload a client statement, and YCharts will automatically extract the holdings and build a portfolio for you. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're managing multiple client accounts. From the portfolio page, click the Create New button in the top right and select Blank Portfolio. You'll notice this pop-up now gives you a choice right at the top: manual entry or quick extract. We'll select quick extract. Below that, you'll see a data format dropdown. This is a new feature that lets you tell quick extract what type of data to prioritize when reading the statement. You can choose between target weight, current weight, shares, or dollars. Since our client statement shows dollar values, we'll select dollars here. Then we'll select client portfolio as our portfolio type and click next. This brings us to the data upload screen. You can either drag and drop your file directly into the window or click browse for file from computer. After doing this, you'll see the background task manager appear on the right-hand side of the screen. This is a new feature that shows you the status of the extraction in real time. One of the great things about this is that you don't have to sit and wait. You can navigate away and come back once the extraction is complete. YCharts will notify you when it's ready. Once the extraction is complete, you'll be brought into the portfolio editor where you can view the results. This is the new data validation UI, and it's one of my favorite parts of this feature. On the right-hand side, you'll see the original client statement rendered directly on screen, and on the left, you'll see the portfolio items table showing everything Quick Extract pulled in. You can validate the extracted data against the statement side by side without ever having to switch windows. You'll notice that each holding has a confidence indicator on the right-hand side. NVIDIA, SPY, AG, and Microsoft were all identified successfully and show a green verified status. Quick Extract also automatically pulled in the portfolio name from the statement and set an as of date to May 31st, 2026. However, there's one issue. You'll notice that one holding, 037833, has been flagged with an orange review status. Quick Extract wasn't able to confidently identify this one, so it's asking us to take a look. After a little research, we can see that 037833 is actually a truncated QSIP for Apple. So we'll go ahead and manually enter Apple in right here. And just like that, all of our holdings have been verified. The total portfolio value checks out, matches the statement. Before we save, I'll just quickly touch on the left-hand sidebar. Quick Extract has already pre-populated a lot of this for us. The data input is set to dollars. The as of date is May 31st, 2026. And you'll notice the rebalanced cache is checked by default in advanced settings, which is generally recommended. You can adjust any of these settings at any time. And once everything looks good, we'll click Update here and save down the portfolio to analyze in YCharts. And that's Quick Extract, a fast, accurate way to get a client's holdings into YCharts directly.